in the period of mathematics, chapter 8, triangles and their congruency is continuing. We need to question number 5. The angles of a triangle are x plus 10, x plus 30 and x minus 10. Find the value of x. Also find the measure of angle of each triangle. Measure of each angle of the triangle. So there are two questions. First question is find the value of x, and the second question is measure of each angle of the triangle. We start the solution from here. We know the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and those three angles are x plus 10 degree plus x plus 30 degree plus x minus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. Implies that x plus 10 degree, I omitted the bracket in this step, x plus 10 degree plus x plus 30 degree plus x minus 10 degree equal to 180 degree. Implies that x plus x plus x, 3x 10 plus 30, 40 minus 10, 30 degree equal to 180 degree. 3x equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree. 3x equal to 210 degree. Therefore, x equal to 70 degree. This is the value of x that is asked in the question. Now, each angle of the triangle. So the first angle is x plus 10 degree, that is equal to 70 degree plus 10 degree equal to 80 degree. Second angle is x plus 30 degree, 70 degree plus 30 degree equal to 100 degree. And third angle is x minus 10 degree, 70 degree minus 10 degree equal to 60 degree. So these three, 80 degree, 100 degree and 60 degree are the angles of the triangle. In question number 6, use the given figure. This is the figure. Use the given figure to find the value of y in terms of p, q and r. The explanation of this question is, what will be the value of y in terms of p, q and r? Y equal to how much? So, solution of this question. First of all, we find the angle R. Angle R equal to 360 degree minus Q. Reason is complete angle. This is complete angle 360 degree and this much is Q. So this angle R equal to 360 degree minus Q. And this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is any figure that is bounded by four sides. Those four sides are PQ, QR, RS and PS. And we know the sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal to (360 degree), angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S equal to 360 degree. These four are the angles of that quadrilateral. The value of angle P is P. The value of angle Q is R degree. The value of angle R is 360 degree minus Q degree, and the value of angle S is Y degree equal to 360 degree. In the question we are asked to find out the value of Y. Is it? In the question we are asked to find out the value of Y. This Y. First of all, what are we saying? 360 is coming both sides, so we can cancel it. Now we write P degree plus R degree minus Q degree plus Y degree equal to 0. So Y degree equal to, all this will go that side, and after going that side it will be minus P, or we write minus P minus R and plus Q degree. In other terms we can write Y degree equal to, if you write systematically, Q degree minus P degree minus R degree. In question number 7, in the figure given below, this is the figure. In the figure given below, if RS is parallel to PQ, this side RS is parallel to PQ, then find the value of Y. This Y is asked to find out. Solution. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Region is the sum of angles of a triangle. Implies that angle P is 4x degree, angle Q is 5x degree, and angle R is 9x degree equal to 180 degree. We add it, this became 18 degree, 18x degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x equal to 10 degree. Now we write angle that is y degree is equal to 5x degree. Why do we say? Reason is PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, these two angles became corresponding angles. Since PQ is parallel to RS, or in reason you can write corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, y degree equal to 5 into 10 equal to 50 degree. Dear students, in question number 8, the question is, in a triangle PQR, this is a triangle PQR, the internal bisector of angle Q and R, AQ is the internal bisector of angle Q and AR is the internal bisector of angle R. These two internal bisectors are meeting at point A, and external bisectors of angles Q and R. This is the external bisector of angle Q and this is the external bisector of angle R. These two are meeting at B. We are asked to prove angle QAR plus angle QBR equal to 180 degree. For that, we write proof. In this, we write angle QAR equal to 180 degree minus angle AQR plus angle ARQ. For this, we give the region sum of angles of a triangle. Now, we can write this equation as angle QAR equal to 180 degree minus half. For angle AQR, we write angle PQR, and for angle ARQ, we write half of angle PRQ. So half became common. In bracket, we write angle PQR plus angle PRQ, and we can solve it as angle QAR. This became 2 is LCM. Here is 360 degree minus angle PQR plus angle PRQ. So by cross multiplication, twice of angle QAR equal to 360 degree minus angle PQR plus angle PRQ. Similarly, we can say, or we can find, similarly we can find this angle QBR, and if you want to know the steps, then those steps will be angle QBR is equal to 180 minus angle RQB or BQR plus angle BRQ, and for this region it will be the same. The sum of angles of a triangle. Now, by the same way, we can say angle QBR equal to 180 degree minus half angle RQT plus angle QRS. And in this way we are getting angle QBR equal to LCM 360 minus angle RQT plus angle QRS, and this became twice of angle QBR equal to 360 minus angle, twice of angle QBR equal to 360 minus angle RQT plus angle QRS. Here, this is the extended part. At this place, I want to say one thing. Without writing all these steps, we can write only one step, that is followed as similarly Similarly, twice of angle QBR equal to 360 degree minus angle RQT plus angle QRS. So we can avoid these many steps. After this, directly we can write only this step. Okay, I wrote it till here, no problem. Now I consider this is as equation 1 and this is as equation 2. Now we write from 1 and 2. We are adding these two equations. So twice of angle QAR to become common, QAR plus angle QBR equal to 360 degree plus 360 degree minus all these angles will be written together, angle PQR plus angle PRQ here plus angle RQT plus angle QRS. Now twice of angle QAR plus angle QBR equal to, this became 720, 360 plus 360, 720, and now you mind angle PQR, this angle PQR plus angle RQT, angle PQR plus angle RQT, that is equal to 180 degree because straight angle, and the remaining these two are also straight angle, PRQ plus angle RST. PRQ and QRS. PRQ and QRS, these two is also straight angle. So we are getting here twice of angle QAR plus angle QBR equal to 720 minus 360. Therefore, at last, angle QAR plus angle QBR equal to 720 minus 360 equal to 360, and by these two equal to 180 root. So again I want to repeat, if you want to avoid this many steps, after it you can write this step only. Similarly, twice of angle QPR equal to 360 minus angle RQT, this is inside the bracket, angle RQT plus angle QRS. For your clarification, I wrote these many steps. You can understand in better way.